Hello everyone, this is Gizmo Freak again. It is time, I think we need to do a complete unboxing of the SPUNK wireless waterproof twins and also do a detailed review. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at what's in the box first, what all are there. Okay, right, so here we have the charging box which contains the twin waterproof twins or the two earbuds. Okay, the left and the right one. Okay, we will take a look at this in detail. And then you have the manual which gives you details about, you know, it's a charging box and wireless earphone and connection method. It connects via Bluetooth, so it gives you instructions on how to switch it on and off, how to answer your call and stuff like that. And then we have earbuds of different sizes, a charging cable, and something very interesting, this. Okay, these are more like rubber, not plastic, and they are supposed to be hooks, and in the manual you will find them, the name rather, which says that arbitrarily deformed ear hook. Well, not sure if it is English or Chinglish. Anyway, so but they are quite useful, I must say that. So let's move this away and let's go ahead and check out the earpods. Okay, now once you place them in the box, the charging box, it's a magnetized, so as soon as you put it in, it just gets stuck and starts charging. And as soon as you take it out of the box, it switches on. And if you have previously connected this, paired this with a mobile phone, it will automatically connect to that phone. Okay, now this is a power button that you see here. This is a power button, so when you press, it'll tell you how much charge is there. This is fully charged now. It hardly took me about an hour to charge the whole thing. And as you keep using the earbuds, these lights keep going down, so if only one is left, then you just have about 2 hours of charge left, and then after that it goes down. You have to charge this again using a charging cable. It's a micro USB. Right, so let's go ahead, see how they perform. Let me take out my mobile. I switch on the Bluetooth on this. Okay, let me go. Alright, so I have previously paired this with my mobile. So if you notice, I have taken this out from my, yeah. Did you see that? It automatically connected. Okay, now let's go ahead. Okay, let me show that to you again. Switch on the Bluetooth. I'll go to the settings, Bluetooth. It says connecting, and as soon as I take out the headset, it's connected. It's instant. Okay, let me play some music. Okay, this sound is coming only from the earbud, and that's only one earbud. I'll take out the second one. So that's the sound. Sound quality is excellent, pairing is instant, battery life is too good. It will last for at least about 4 hours of usage with each of these lights. So overall I would say it will last you for about a week, 10 days easily, even if you're using it on a daily basis. So sound quality is good, pairing is good, it's good by the way. Okay, now let's take a look at this deformed or whatever they call it. Okay, this is supposed to, not this, yes, this one. It's supposed to fit into this here, this hole here, and this sits into your ear and this goes behind your ear. And this, trust me, this keeps the earbud safely, securely in your ear and does not let it fall. I have tried it on my walks, I have tried it while jogging, and I can guarantee that this, I can definitely say that this will not fall down. Okay, and the best part of this is that you can twist it as you want to suit your ear shape or size. You know, just twist it and then it holds the earphone. Okay, now coming to the controls of this, it's one touch control. If you see on my phone, okay, I just touch this, music starts. Let me increase the volume. Okay. Starts, one touch, stops. Okay. Okay, takes a little time, gets a little getting used to it, you know. And if I tap twice, okay, let me hold it properly. Starts playing the previous number. Okay, so this is the left earbud. Okay, now let me take the right one, and if I double tap on this, it plays the next number. Okay, so controls are pretty easy, and even when you're answering the phone, it's the same. One tap, it's on, it will answer the phone. One tap, disconnects it. Okay, now one more feature of this is that this also supports Siri and Google Assistant. Well, it's been a little complicated to use. I mean, it's a little touch and go. I've tried it a couple of times, so most of the times I end up switching it off because the touch is very sensitive. So you're just supposed to touch and hold. Let's hope it works. If it does not, then it will just switch off. Yeah, I guess it has switched off. Yeah, it's connected now. Okay, let's try once again. No, it's getting switched off. Okay, let's not waste too much of time on that. I will try that again and do a separate review of using the assistant along with this. But for now, at this price point, I can say that these beauties, the twin buds SPUNK, are the best. The sound quality is excellent. Treble, bass, even vocals come out excellent on it, and it's a damn good product at this price point. It's just about less than 3,000 bucks. You can get it from latest one or directly from the Petron website. I will leave the links to where you can find this product in the description. So if you want to buy it, just go ahead. Alright, until the next one, cheers, bye.